Alright guys, this will be a framing video for Unit 3, Lesson 3, Rotation Challenge. To get started with the challenge, it's very simple. Just click on the assignment for that day. And you will see that there is a worksheet and then there's a Unity package. The Unity package is inside the worksheet. So let's just go to the worksheet and take a look at what's happening here. So, we have Rotate Challenge Practice. And like before, I have the syllabus for you guys. I have a cheat sheet if you guys get stuck, and the YouTube playlist. If you click on this YouTube playlist, you will see that there are videos for how to get some of this stuff done for the challenges. If you need help, just go to these videos. With that being said, let's talk about the rotation challenge. Rotation challenge is pretty simple. Just like how the position challenge, we're only going to focus on one property inside the transform to change. In this case, we'll focus on the rotation. But take a look at stage 1, and I'll do stage 1 with you guys, just so you guys understand how it goes. The objective for stage 1 is, on the stage 1 character, create a new script that allows your turned cannon to rotate to 0, 0, 30 rotation when the game starts. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up Unity, we're going to open up the project that we started last class, and we're going to import the rotate challenge into that project. I'm going to scroll down and you'll see the rotate Unity package right here. I'm going to click it. I'm just going to start downloading it. So I'm just going to download right here, just so I have it here. What I'm going to do with this download is I'm going to go and I'm going to import it into Unity. So what I'll do is I'll just open up Unity and open up my project, which I conveniently already have open. And I'm just going to go up to where it says Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and then I'll just find the package. I'm going to go here and click this one, like so. From there, this box will appear where actually, if you want to import the stuff, just import the content in. And then we are good. Let me go here and click this. Alright, so with the content imported in, you will see that we have the new folder for Rotate Challenge right here. And we'll double click it, and I'm just going to double click on the Unity scene here for the Rotate Challenge. And your challenge will look a little bit like this. So here's how the challenge is going to go. Essentially, when you run the program, the cannonball will fire. It's going to be your goal to make the cannonball fire under certain conditions. So, as you saw with, let me show you. As you saw with the level 5 one, oh, it's actually firing constantly. Okay, doesn't matter. As you saw with the level 5 one, it fired and immediately got rid of that ball. We want to only get rid of the ball under certain conditions, so let me show you how that works. So, the way we're going to do is, we're going to take a look at the worksheet, and we'll go here, and go back here. And again, all the conditions are on the worksheet. The first condition right here is just on stage 1, we're just going to make a new script that will allow that to rotate when the game starts. So, by default, the game should look like this, but when it starts, the turn should rotate upward. And it should look a little bit like, let me show you. Should look a little bit like that. Rotate it upward. Only when the game starts though, not any other time. So, to make this work, here's what we're going to do. All the code for this activity, you're going to do not on the turret base, but you're going to go inside of it by clicking this little drop down right here, and you click on turret cannon. This is where all of your code is going to go. Your code will always go on the turret cannon for this activity. So to start this off, I'm just going to right click. I'm going to make a new script, and we'll call this L1 rotate for the level 1 rotate challenge. From there, I'm going to make sure I click on the turret cannon that's underneath L1 turret. And I'm going to click this script and drag it onto the object there, so we add that component in. And now we're going to open up the script and we're going to start making it rotate. So again, as per the instructions here, we only want this to happen when the game starts. So, I'm going to go here. If you want something to happen when something starts, you want to focus on the void start. And I'm just going to start typing in the code to make it rotate. Again, you don't want it on update, only on start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do get component, and I want to get the transform component because I want to change the rotation on the transform component. So get the transform component, and then from there I'm just going to type in the word rotate, like that. The way the rotate property works is just open close parentheses, and then you put your three values inside of here. So what you want the x to be, what you want the y to be, and what you want the z to be will all go in here. So just like before, I want the x to be at 0, I want the y to be at 0, and I want the z to be at 30, like that. And then I just save that code. And when I go back into Unity, checking to make sure that the script is attached to the deterrent cannon, and that's on level 1. Yep, I see it right there. So now when I run the program, there we go. It moved that turret as soon as the game started to the Z rotation of 30. That's exactly what we wanted there. And that's how you did the first challenge. So with the contest challenge, the main thing you want to keep in mind is all you're doing is you're rotating the turret cannon. That's all you're doing, but you're rotating it under certain conditions. So for example, for the level 2 character, you're only rotating it when you press the M key down. Level 3, you're only rotating when the M key is lifted up off the keyboard. This one, rotate when you touch a trigger box. And this one, you rotate when you click the left mouse button. This one's extra credit, so you have to actually Google this one on your own, but that's really the basic gist of all of this. When you finish, make sure you export the Unity package and submit it using this form here. And that's really it for this lesson. If you need help, just please reach out for help. I'm willing to help, and I will see you guys in the next one.